everyone. If f of x minus 3 equals 4x plus 5, we want to find f of 5 and f of x. So there's two separate problems here. Now, for the first one, we're going to find f of 5. So basically what we want is we want this part right here to be 5. So just set it equal to 5. So if x minus 3 equals 5, you add 3 to both sides of the equation, and you get x equals 8. Now that we know that x equals 8, you're just going to take this equation and plug in 8, or substitute in 8 for each of these x's. So we have f of 8 minus 3 equals 4 times 8 plus 5. Now, this gives you f of 5, which is what we wanted here. And then you just multiply that. 4 times 8 is going to be 32 plus 5. And that gives you 37. All right. So for the next one, we'll start that one, f of x. So again, we want this to equal x. Now, if you just set it equal to x, you have a problem with the variables because they'll go away. So if you're not going to do this mentally, a good way to do this is just do another random variable. Let's just call this for now y, or z. I'll just put random variables. So I'll put r equals x minus 3. And then solve for x. So you add 3 to both sides, so you get r plus 3 equals x. Now I'm going to substitute this r, so we let r equal x. So now make this x again. So we really have x plus 3 equals x. Now, take your equation and what we want to do, there should be x, is plug this in for every x. So you get f for this x, you're going to instead put x plus 3, and then write your minus 3 equals 4 times x plus 3. That's for that x, plus 5. Now look what happened here. So these two zero out. So that's going to be f of x, which is what we wanted here, equals, and you can just leave it like that, or you can distribute here, simplify, so you get 4x plus 12 plus 5, which equals 4x plus 17. So either one is fine. Now I made another problem. What I wanted to show is, so for example, I just made this problem up, and if we want to find f of x, we want this to be x. So what we want to do is just let this x be x plus 4. So do you see how I'm just doing this mentally? Because I know plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So when I substitute, I'm going to get x plus 4 for this part, minus 4, and then I'm going to substitute this also for this x here. So that would be x plus 4. So these two cancel. That's just doing it mentally without getting all confused about it. And distribute here. So that gives you 2x plus 9. And then to do f of 5, what you need a 5 here. So the only way this can be 5 is if x is 9. So basically, x minus 4 equals 5. Add 4 to both sides, so you get x equals 9. So you're going to get x of 9 minus 4 equals 2 times 9, because that's your x here, plus 1. This gives you your f of 5 equals 18 plus 1, which gives you 19. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.